Okay, so I am experimenting with some cat treat recipes. This is a dehydrator, and here's what I have in it. I had some leftover ground up chicken, and these are just some ground up chicken patties. I want to see how these dehydrate. I also then mix some catnip into the ground chicken, and these are the catnip chicken patties. And then this is cooked chicken. There's a few pieces of cooked chicken here. I want to see how those dehydrate also, so I am going to put this on, and I'm going to come back to it later, and I'm going to see how this works. And I'm sorry for the noise in the background, the dishwasher is on. This is the Nesco American Harvest Food Dehydrator and Jerky Maker. And part of me is concerned that I'm gonna come home later and this thing might be on the floor because the cats might smell the catnip or the chicken, and I'm hoping that doesn't happen. So this is the first experiment with the dehydrated chicken cat treats. These are nice and hard right now. They don't really have an aroma. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to break one up. They're actually still warm. I'm going to break one up and I'm going to see if the cats might want to try one. Here's a homemade treat. Yeah. Are they going to eat it? Eat it. It's chicken. It's chicken. Simba's purring. They're really hard though. Oh, he just ate it. Is he gonna eat the other one too? He just ate the other one. Is Stella gonna eat it? They're fighting over it. Simba got it. Stella's not happy about that. Is Splash gonna eat it? And there goes Simba. So Simba really likes these treats. He just ate everybody's treat. Okay, so this piece has dried catnip in it. This is the organic ground chicken with dried catnip in it. Now, I am going to cut this into smaller pieces and then give it to the cats and see if they like this. Do you hear how crunchy that is? Simba ate it. I just gave one to Splash. Let's see if he eats it. I'm trying to block Simba. Eat your treat. Eat your treat, Splash. Eat your treat. Simba wants to eat it. Okay, let's see. Let's see if Stella will like a treat. Eat your treat, Stella. Eat it. Eat your treat, Stella. She's licking it. And Simba's eating it. Like I'm trying to hold him away. Eat your treat. Eat the treat, Stella. You want another one? Yeah. Yeah, eat it. You can eat them. They're chicken. You like chicken? There's even catnip in them. It's chicken and catnip. You're not going to eat them? Simba's going to eat them. I want Splash to eat them, but Simba's going to eat them all. Yep, Simba ate them. He loves them.